Ever wish your snacks could fight hunger, keep you healthy? I've got you covered. If you want snacks that heal and curb hunger, try these anti-inflammatory combos. First, grab a handful of almonds and pair them with dried cherries from Traverse Bay Farms. This duo calms inflammation and keeps you full. Or spread hummus on sliced cucumbers for a crunchy, satisfying treat loaded with antioxidants. Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of chia seeds and some fresh strawberries is another game-changing pick. Creamy, sweet, and packed with power. So ditch the junk and snack smarter. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Happy snacking.